Hello again, this is Jeff, and in this video I'm going to compare Professional Foam Party Fluid to Dawn Ultra Dish Soap. My friends over at FoamYeti.com were nice enough to send me a sample of their product to try. In this test I ran the machines through 5 gallons of water. The Foam Yeti foam fluid was mixed at 1.5% because it is a lot more concentrated. The Dawn Ultra was mixed at the standard 2%. As you can see, running at these percentages, the output of foam from both is about the same. For the professional party fluid, the positives are that it's non-toxic, biodegradable, hyperallergenic, and DEA free. It is also not scented, and at the 1.5% mixture, you're going to use a lot less of it over the course of a party. The only negative thing I can say about it is just that it's more expensive than the dish soap. The main positive for the dish soap is just the fact that it's so cheap. The main negative is that it contains a lot of extra ingredients, including grease fighters, scents, and dyes, all of which can cause allergic reactions in people at large quantities. In conclusion, I would recommend the professional party fluid to my clients, but realistically most of them are only interested in what is the cheapest option. And I have to say that if you want to throw a foam party for the cheapest possible price, dish soap in most cases is going to come out to be cheaper. But if you're throwing a party for paying customers in a professional location or around children, I would say you should definitely use professional party fluid. Thank you for watching. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comments section. Make sure you check out the Foam Yeti's website and YouTube channel. He's got a lot of interesting stuff up there.